Here is a koala for your feed. Do you hear that sound? A sound that doesn't belong in a refrigerator. And here, what I used to collect, we had to wipe it up. Normally the fridge cools via the back wall. Frost forms, melts, and the water drains out through the drainage hole. But if the drain is clogged, this doesn't happen. Water stays inside, runs down, and the back wall turns to ice. Worse, the fan starts rubbing against the ice and makes that awful noise. What to do? You need to unclog the drain. A cotton swab or a thin wire will do the trick. We've got this little special tool. Let's clean it out. Now, to make sure the drainage is working, pour some water into it. Use a tablespoon of warm water and see if it goes down. If the water drains, perfect. If you've done everything right, but the fan is still making noise, switch the fridge to a lower cooling setting, like level 2. Leave it like that for a day, then return it to level 3 or 4, depending on your usual setting. If that doesn't help, try restarting the fridge. Turn it off for half an hour, then back on.